channel. So today I actually got for you another like kind of drink type of thing. If you haven't noticed, on Tuesdays I try to upload something that's food related. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to do now. Okay, so today I actually have for you today I actually have for you a coffee type of like whip thing you put on top of like a drink. You'll see. So if you want to know how to do that, go ahead and watch. Me personally, I'm not a coffee lover, so I actually gave this to my family because they like coffee, but personally I don't like coffee. I thought it tastes okay, like, you know, I'm not a coffee lover, but it tastes good. And yeah, so this is like, you know, something that I've seen going on, so I thought I tried it and I share it with you guys. So if you like it, go ahead and put thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe, and comment down below. Remember, in the description box I will be having a link. This is for you to ask me anonymous questions and I will be answering them in a future video. All right, so let's get to this.
Guys, so today the items you will need right now is gonna be a bowl, a 1 tablespoon spoon measuring thing, and some instant coffee. I will at the end of the video put the ingredients that you will need and the items you will need for this. Alright, so I am actually here. For me, I use 2 different brands of instant coffee. You could use any brand you want. The first pack that I used, it was not a full pack, so I had to use 3 different packs for 1 tablespoon. And then I used another, I believe, 2 packs for 2 tablespoons to arise. Like I said, for me, the package were a bit different, but just remember 2 tablespoons is what you need. Doesn't matter the brand or anything like that, just for it to be instant coffee. For me, I used 5 packs, so yeah. For everybody, it will be different, and as I say, remember it is to your liking. So if you want to switch up ingredients, feel free. Remember, we can do it. I'm just giving you like the basics of this. You can go ahead and adjust it as you want and as you wish. All right, remember, again, the ingredients will be at the end of the video. All right, so I'm mixing here the instant coffee, you know, have that all mixed together so they're not like separated, so both brands are all together in there. You are going to go ahead and put some sugar in there. This is cane sugar that I am using. Again, feel free to use the sugar that you desire. And we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons. And then we're going to go ahead and mix this as well to have that nice and mixed together with the instant coffee. Again, before you start, you want to go ahead and measure out 2 tablespoons of water. We are going to put this in the microwave, all right? Alright, so now you're going to put in your microwave for 30 seconds your water, and then you're going to go ahead and pour it into the bowl. You could use any type of bowl you want, alright? Alright, I say alright too much, don't I? Alright, so I grabbed a whisk to mix everything up. You can go ahead and use a KitchenAid if you want to, but I thought this was a very, like, you know, small amount, decent amount for me to do in a bowl like this. You can use any bowl you want, or you can use the electric mixers, a smaller kind with only like the 2 little whisking things, so like a batidora. I'm using a whisk, and if this is for if you want to do some arm day here, because you know we are definitely mixing up in here. Yeah, so in the beginning you're gonna have a liquidy consistency, and it is gonna be a dark color. All right, the consistency that we want is like a whipped type. All right, so we want it thick, and the color is gonna change a little bit lighter. All right, so go ahead and whisk. I was whisking for about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how you want it. Remember, it's all to your choice. But I am whisking and whisking and whisking here. Oh, a little FYI, you can serve this with milk if you want. I did that for my sister. And then for my parents and my brother, they like coffee. I'm not a coffee fan, so you know, yeah. but I made coffee on itself, normal coffee, but for theirs I did it kind of like the iced version, iced coffee, so just added a few ice cubes to their serving, to their portion. So as you can see, I am still whipping here. Well, not whipping, but mixing it up. Oh, look at me move. I am really whisking it. Look. Whoa. Just kidding. But this is what you're doing. You're still whisking it, mixing it. Remember, we are looking for a thick consistency. Obviously, if you do it with a mixer, it's probably be a bit faster. But I am not, because I did not want to do all that. I tried the smaller bowl with the whisk, and I am doing it with my hand. My arm was really tired from this, so like I said, if you want to do a little bit of arm day, go ahead. I try to switch it up and do it with my left arm, but I am not lefty, so yeah, that did not work out. So I really had to work my right arm. And I'm mixing again and again and again, and some more, and some more, until we get that thick consistency, guys. We really want to work towards that thick consistency so it can be like a whip type of thing. It is going to be a topper to your drink. Remember, again, whatever drink you want. This is coffee, so whatever you want to do, all right? Oh, and a little FYI again. Remember, Tuesdays I am trying to upload some kind of beverage, food related type of video if you haven't noticed. But yeah. Alright, so now I actually grabbed the cup that I was going to do my serving in, put some ice in there, but then I thought really quick, I got an idea of decorating the cup, so I put the ice back, and I'm still whisking it. I actually put this in the fridge because I don't know how long it was going to take me to actually do the coffee and like the servings, so I put this in the fridge. Remember, this is the first time that I am doing this, so I didn't want to leave it out because I don't know if the consistency would kind of like, not be as thick and like kind of like, light, and put it in the fridge just for it to keep like, a little bit of thickness and hardness to it. I don't know how this really worked out, but I didn't spend a lot of time fixing it. As you can see, I have decorated my cup with some caramel in there, puts the coffee in there with the ice cubes, and we have our look here. Now we are grabbing our mixture, pouring it on top. I used a spoon. You can use whatever you want. Oops, that was a mess if you guys did not notice, but I'm just gonna put it on top, pour it like that. I felt like it could look nicer, but again, you are pouring it with a spoon. But I mean, again, it is for the taste and for the, you having something to do. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Remember, again, you can serve it with whatever drink you want, but remember, it is coffee, so however you want to do it. Clean it up real quick, because that whisk did leave a mess in the back of the cup. FYI. Alright, so I am trying to pour some more because I do want it to look a little bit swirly or something, but here is our final look, you guys. This is how it looks. Alright, guys, that's it for today. Remember, ingredients will be at the end.